He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion. He's can't miss.
He's the main event.
He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
I am the lock.
As someone who knows a thing or two about growing pains in WWE, can I give you some advice?
Go for it.
3 words. Ignore the haters.
So, you've seen Cameron Grimes and Happy Corbin chirping at me on social media.
Chirper's gonna chirp, and they sure as heck chirped at me during my retribution days. You just gotta tune out the noise. Trust me.
Oh, I don't trust anybody around here yet, but thanks for the tip.
Hey, I get it. I didn't come up through the PC either. I know what it's like to feel like an outsider here. And I definitely know what it's like to find yourself in a costume you didn't pick. Doesn't mean you can't make it work for you. I can help you find your footing, if you're interested.
What's in it for you?
Never hurts to have friends, even for us outsiders. How about it?
At this rate, a little guidance couldn't hurt. I'm in. What's my next move?
You're already an IC champ, but you don't find your voice in WWE by winning titles. You do it by sending strong messages, which is why you need to silence the voices calling you out.
I hear you loud and clear. And so will Cameron Grimes.
The man destined to be top dog. It's introduce
Things have gotten personal between The Rock and Cameron Grimes, but it's all business tonight with the Intercontinental Championship on the line.
The IC champ has certainly been thrown into the deep end right out of the gate here in WWE. Time to see if he sinks or swims.
I think he's been spending too much time worrying about what people are saying on social media. It could end up costing him his title here tonight.
Sent into the corner.
Guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be. Perched up top, could be looking for a superplex. Maybe something more. This is gonna be big.
It's gonna hurt.
Falcon Arrow connects.
That move on its own will knock the wind out of you, but from that height, it'll knock the earth and fire out of you too.
Very measured elbow.
Tough position to be caught in here. Again. Oh, look at this suplex.
Wait a second. Two.
Mistake made by Grimes.
Averting danger with an elbow to the stomach. Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Inside out. Oh, man. Ooh.
From the top down. A bad place to be for the challenger.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of a match. Very measured elbow drop.
Trapping their opponent's arm. Crossface, submission time. The official asking him, is he going to tap? Is he going to tap back? Forces his opponent to tap out.
The Rock is walking out the same way he walked in.
Here's your winner,
as
and
a
still
champion.
WWE Intercontinental Champion, Brock Daniel Morales.
Wrestle perhaps the perfect match. Never any...
The use of words expressing something other than their literal intention. Now that is irony.